Are you thinking of buying a brand new smartphone this Christmas season, but don't want to spend too much on it? Then you're watching the right video. I'm VJ from Yugatech, and today we'll be checking out smartphones released in the fourth quarter of 2022, priced under 20,000 pesos. Mind you, these phones are listed in no particular order, and with that, it doesn't mean one is better than the other, so without further ado, let's get right into it. First up on this list is the Huawei Nova 10 SE, which retails for 17,999 pesos. Introduced in the Philippines last October, it's the entry-level model in the Nova 10 series lineup. The Nova 10 SE is powered by the Snapdragon 680G 4G chipset, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage, which is unfortunately not expandable. There's a large 6.67-inch OLED display, a 90Hz refresh rate, and a triple rear camera system featuring a 108-megapixel main paired with a 16-megapixel front camera. The battery is only 4,500 mAh, but it does support 66 watts fast charging. The Nova 10 SE is available in three colors: Starry Silver, Starry Night, and Mint Green. Next up, we have the newly launched Honor 80 SE. Like the Nova 10 SE, the Honor 80 SE is the entry-level model for the new Honor 80 series. Despite being entry-level, the Honor 80 SE still packs a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, 8GB or 12GB of RAM, and non-expandable storage of either 256GB or 512GB. There's also a triple rear camera system featuring a 64-megapixel main lens and a 32-megapixel front camera. The OLED display measures 6.67 inches and a 120Hz refresh rate. In addition, this smartphone uses a 4,600 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging. The Honor 80 SE is also 5G capable and utilizes Wi-Fi 6. The Honor 80 SE has yet to be launched in the Philippines, but currently retails in China for 2,399 won, or roughly 19,000 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. Back in October, OPPO introduced another A-series smartphone with the A1 Pro. It's quite packed with features including a 6.7-inch curved OLED display, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 360Hz touch sampling rate. Powering the A1 Pro is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. It is available with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, which is further expandable by another 8GB. Storage is limited to 128GB or 256GB, but can be further expanded by a microSD card slot. The dual rear camera system features a 108-megapixel main lens, while the front camera uses a 16-megapixel lens. A 4,800 mAh battery powers the A1 Pro and comes with 67 watts fast charging. Other notable features include 5G connectivity, and like the Honor 80 SE, the OPPO A1 Pro has not been introduced in the Philippines yet. In China though, the smartphone retails for 2,299 yuan, or roughly 18,200 pesos. Xiaomi introduced the new Note 12 lineup in October, and today we'll be looking at the flagship model, the Note 12 Pro Plus. It features a large 6.67-inch OLED display and a 120Hz refresh rate. Powering it is a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset and is available with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM. Storage is limited to 256GB and is not expandable. Possibly the highlight of the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is the triple rear camera system, which features a 200-megapixel main lens developed by Samsung. Meanwhile, the front camera uses a 16-megapixel main lens. In addition to the camera, the smartphone uses a 5,000 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging. It is also 5G capable and offers Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Xiaomi also says it is IP53 dust and water resistant. The starting price of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is 2,199 yuan, or roughly 17,500 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. However, this phone is not available in the Philippines yet. Last but not the least is the Honor X40 GT. It has the largest screens out of the 5 phones with a 6.81-inch Full HD Plus display and with a 144Hz refresh rate. The X40 GT is powered by the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset and is available with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM. The storage capacity of the X40 GT is limited to 256GB and is non-expandable, and it features a triple rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main lens. The phone uses a smaller 4,800 mAh battery, but it does have 66 watts fast charging. Unlike the other phones, the X40 GT features an impressive thermal system with 13 layers of heat dissipation material. Prices of the Honor X40 GT start at 2,199 yuan, or around 17,500 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. And like the other phones, this has yet to be launched in the Philippines. And we know while some of the phones are not yet available in the Philippines, they should be around the same price once launched locally. So out of the 5, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more tech reviews, unboxings, and the like. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and gadget reviews. Once again, this has been VJ of Yugatech, and I'll catch you all in the next one.